This is the first video I'll be creating with the new Google feature. There is no watermark on this video, so let's play this video from the scratch so you see it.
Subscribe to Shaniel's Creation channel on YouTube. It is totally free. Oh yeah, do it now.
I believe Google will keep getting better and better. Do not mind my little princess. Google has done it again. Yes, they have done it again. They get better and better. So Google has introduced a new feature. You can now remove your watermark. You have no excuse of not posting. So let's get started. So on the top of your top right thing, first of all, I want to show you, this is a pro account, yes. Google gives 50 free credits to every pro user. So I have used, I played around with my Google today and I lost some credits. So I have 990 credits remaining, but every day I get 50 credits. If I don't use it, they will take it. So on your right side of your laptop or your phone, this is where you tap on it to get your watermark remover. Yes, this place you say off and on. You can off it if you don't want the watermark. You can on it. So as easy as that. Can you see it here? Visible watermarking. I have to say it again. You can on if you want the watermark, and you can off it because by default it's switched off, and you can on it too. So if you want to off the watermark, you can off it. If you want to on the watermark, you can on it too. It's your choice. So I believe most persons will not want the watermark, or if you want to like tell everybody that is Gemini that you are using to create your work, it's up to you. So that is it. Then for the free users, every day Google gives you 50 daily credits to use. Remember I said for the pro users, extra 50 credits are given to you till August 31st. So take advantage of this. Create your amazing work, post online, and get more paying clients. You can also create for your YouTube videos, for your TikTok videos, for your Facebook videos. Just create, keep creating. And I believe if you love what I just said, if you got value for this 5 minutes or 2 minutes video, I believe you got value after watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because I'll be posting more videos back to back. So those comments, those likes encourages Shaddai and Nathaniel to create more videos on YouTube for free. See you in my next video.
Hello everyone, subscribe to Shaniel's Creation channel on YouTube. It is totally free. Oh yeah, do it now.